Hello, welcome back to our IT Landy Nugget course. We started for basically, I had some requests to cover high level what is the tools I will favor in relation to expansion automation or working in cloud on premise, and we based on some what I have selected again personally the major player around this area. So we started with a few parts and we covered Azure Stack against Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud, Nutanix, OpenStack, VMware, and then for today we're going to cover what the Chinese are offering us. And the focus around this area will be around Alibaba Apsara Stack. Again, a lot of other vendors, they offer like Rackspace, others, but I think these are the one my main focus around. And we covered the 5 parts to start with, and today we're going to finish the last part, and that will be Azure Stack, basing what Alibaba Apsara can offer us. Let's have a look. Right, let's have a look. What does the Alibaba offer? It's a software-only platform that creates an extension of Alibaba's public cloud into customers' data center. It's currently available only in China, but they announced they will be internationally available in Europe. That will be this year. So what they offer us: sold as a licensed software. Total price is the sum of the price of each individual module surface, and you have 4 versions: Z Stack, Asparas Stack, Agility, Aspara, Insight, and Apsara Stack Enterprise. So Alibaba Apsara Stack. How they advertise it for government, big data, and e-commerce. And strength, it's utilizing a cloud, Alibaba's cloud, number of basically one vendor in the public cloud market in China. It has expensive extensive environment and advantage around big data, machine learning, and it is basically a cloud provider for wide range of IaaS and PaaS. Weakness: it's only private cloud for traditional software markets. Apsara's stack deployments need more resource than other private cloud, like 40 to 50 physical servers are required for Apsara's stack enterprise, and competition is stiff from the private cloud. What Microsoft they offer at the moment: flexibility and complete core data centers running with the Azure cloud, scalable, agile, more investment. Azure and Azure Stack are mature product, available. Thousands, it could be millions of customers are using them, and to give you seamless migration for Microsoft Cloud, and they have tremendous experience around this tool. Now, I think for us, I've left that one as the last because it doesn't mean it's a good. However, to start with, it's only available in China, which means this is only available for at the moment only for Chinese companies. However, we know the Chinese economic and where they are at the moment in the market, but because they're planning to flood Europe and the rest of the world with their service, according to the first option they are offering, again this based on public information, it seems they are very cheap. It's too good to be true. However, their aim is for government and private sectors. However, personally, I will not see them gaining marketplace at the moment in Europe due to the fact we know the legislation requirements and we know the legal requirements, auditing auditors, compliance requirements, and the history between China and the rest of Europe. And we know the Chinese government they control a lot of these, like Microsoft, AWS, and other stuff data centers there, which means I'm not sure how that will work for us here. If we're going to place data centers, if they're going to place data centers here, does that mean they can guarantee data not getting replicated into China, getting controlled here, And again, government, I don't think so they will offer stuff like that. However, it is too early to cover this one, but it in China they are quite big, they are major leaders, they are winners against AWS, Microsoft, VMware, and other vendors, you know. But if they're going to come to Europe, maybe, I don't know, it could be, I haven't seen something yet. It could be data centers with no communication to China, purely for Europe, would maybe guarantee approved by auditors. Again, all of these will come to light when this offer is available. At the moment is not. So I think this is what I had for you. Basically, I kept it very minimal on the last part. Hopefully you have learned something useful. I will be posting some links where I got all this information from, all these links around, cloud, Azure, AWS. But next we will be doing more around technical, comparison. We're gonna do more sessions, more like uh, courses around AWS and Azure. Then we move toward. You've noticed I have not spoken about Google Cloud. It is another major player. However, Google is a purely hosted. That's why it's not part of this Azure Stack business. But they are very major player around application migration and utilization of purely cloud options. So at the moment, I'm going to leave you in peace, and I shall see you in different course of our IT Landy course. Thank you for watching and have a great day, basically. Goodbye.